Okay, the next little snag is I can't get this bottom race off, and I kind of want to do that so I know everything's clean. And I also need to put a new seal on the bottom because that seal split. And honestly, this looks like it was cut versus split. Like it was cut so someone could just slip it on there and really half-ass it. So just like the top, there's just one thing here that we gotta loosen up, and we should be able to take that whole stem off of the lower triple clamp. Alright, so there's that. You notice that down here we've got a notch for the clearance for this pinch bolt. That looks alright. A little bit of a lip there, but it's probably just from getting pressed in here. No big deal. That popped right loose. Now, my new problem, this socket is stuck. Can't get the damn thing in the vise over here, so I can just tap it off. Maybe I can just wishful thinking, right? Hey, there we go. It wasn't too bad. So there's a shoulder inside there. It slipped down over top of this bolt. No big deal. So now got that lower triple, got the lower race. I'm just going to lay on there. It actually presses in there a little bit, and just heavy finger pressure, that'll slide right down over that race there. And then we got this off. Oh shit, I did fuck it up. Well, in a future episode we'll learn how to repoint threads. Ah, damn it. Mistakes happen. I thought it was pushing on this, but it messed up all my threads. Thread repair 101 on the next Kory's rides.